What is up, guys? Once again, I found myself in a situation where I'm doing a trail, doing a hike. See there? And I forgot to bring my camera. So enjoy this iPhone footage. Okay, so the trail that I wanted to do today is called the Tikki trail. It takes you up to the Gondola here in Queenstown. Now, the complication is that they are, how would you say, doing a lot of, renovations at the Gondola site. And because the trail is by the Gondola site, they shut off access to it. Instead, they set up an alternative entrance around 15 minutes away from the original entrance. Jeez. Okay. Someone's not happy. Yeah, so while I've done the traditional Tikki trail multiple times, I've never taken this entrance. So I thought, why not film it? Show you guys what we are all about down here in Queenstown. Let's begin. So this is annoying because back at the actual site, it says to come here to have access to the alternate trail. But over here, it says there's no entry, and you got to report to the site manager. Okay, what are we gonna do? Can't complain about the view though. So guys, I just spoke to the gentleman in the truck there, and he told me, yeah, it's no issues. You can go walk on through. That was lucky, arriving when he did. All right, we get to continue the adventure. Yes, I'm pumped. All right, probably 15 minutes in, and the construction zones are getting crazy. The trail itself is not that impressive, to be honest, just because while you can walk on it, it's just not a spot that you would like to walk in. You see, it's just a trail for all the supply vehicles, because there are restaurants and stuff on the top, so just a way for them to get up there. But we have no choice because the actual starting spot is closed. So yeah, we go on. I wish I bought my hat though and put on some sunscreen. Sunscreen. All right, guys, I believe have made it the spot where the alternate trail connects with the main trail. So after this spot, it's plain sailing. As in, not that it gets any easier, it's just takes you back to the original trail. So you see the gate that's at the end over there. That's where the original trail is. So it kind of goes that way. So the trail here, I believe, is gonna go that way and kind of connect with the actual trail. So we're not there yet, but we're close. There we are. Yeah, and this is the actual trail itself. That's cool. So yeah, guys, we're probably around 1/3 of the way up, a little bit more than that. But this is a very familiar trail for me now, so should be able to rush by it. Guys, came up here. It's back onto a road. I did not expect that, but whoa, gotta keep going. Let's see if we get back to the main trail somehow. Oh, false alarm. We're already back on the main trail. They're cut off just a little bit. Yeah, so they're doing bits and pieces, you know. It's chopping off just here and there. Okay, see that? Back on the trail. It used to be that we could go down there, but not anymore. Yeah, so we are definitely over halfway there. Should get there soon. I feel a bit better stamina wise. So I wish I brought my hat. So a little wary because of the sun. So that spot right there, guys, it serves a really important function. If you take a look up there, see a tree. Well, you would call it a tree house, wouldn't you? But it is the zip code. The zip line where people would just zoom down the mountain. So I'm wondering if they've taken the cables off, because if you look up there, can you see it? Yeah, you see maybe you see some cables running, 2 or 3 cables. Those were, well, supposed to be part of the zip line, so they would like zip down through the mountain, which I've never done. But yeah, so anyway, the sponge spot right there is in case it failed, because that's where they literally jump off of. Can't really see any. Yeah, so that's where they jump off of, just in case. So they got it like tied. They have like a little lock, you know, from the cable to their harness. But just in case it were to fail, they will land down there. It doesn't look that. It looks really high, and the sponge looks too thin, but I don't think they ever had to use it. And all of this is of course shut down now. Yeah, pandemic and stuff. But yeah, it's a pretty cool reminder at least, and hopefully once the boat is open, which at the time of recording this is supposed to be the 30th of April. It's gonna be open, but fully open for non-residents. It's gonna be the 30th of April this year. That was before Omicron, so they haven't really put any updates, but hopefully they don't delay it any further. Yeah, so that's the story. See that? It's pretty big actually. It's got stories and stuff. Yeah, so that's basically the sad story of the zip line here. We made it, guys. The next turn is going to be Bain Road. Ooh. All right. As you can see, we have made it, but we just need to get our vaccine process shown here. Vaccine passport shown, and Wow. Okay, everything's closed. I don't know why I didn't expect that. Yeah, that would be the restaurant, the ice cream bar. Man. F this virus, bro. Look at that, alright. Actually guys, video is not over yet. I forgot about, I thought the building was closed, but it actually wasn't. So, let me show you when I'm wearing this mask here. Wow, this is the best part. I can't believe I almost didn't show you guys this. Look at that. I'm sure I posted this on my Instagram stories many times. Still. Wow. That right there is Queenstown. So yeah guys, I'm still not gonna sign off just yet, just because we gotta take the gondola, which I again completely forgot about. What a terrible vlogger I am, jeez. But okay. Anyway, one last look of beautiful Queenstown. Let's go back. Alright, put my pass right there. As we go down this perilous, come on, focus, there we go. As you go down this perilous trail, it shows you really, because I walked from down there, you know, so it's gonna take us down in less than 5 minutes. I didn't even know how long did it take me. Can I see? No, I can't. Anyway, I'll check it out later. Oh, focus, come on. What's wrong with this thing? A little bit of there, yeah. So yeah guys, now I can finally tell you guys. Oh, actually, quick, that's the bungee right there. It's the only bungee here that I haven't done. But yeah, as we go down this place, go down the gondola, I would just like to say, yeah, feeling blessed to be where I am, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day now, finally, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao. If you look, let me see if I can I zoom in? No, I can't. Alright, where would it be? I can see it through with my eyes. Okay. So if you look here, you can look close enough. I'll see if I can zoom it in post-production, but it's kind of like little go-karts.